everyone. This is Oti from the students of Malagir College of Pharmacy. Back with another video, educate and entertain you all. This video will give you the importance of using mask, maintaining hygiene, and some tips and tricks to deal with the boredom and stress during lockdown. Here we go.
The most effective and easiest way of preventing ourselves from getting infected with coronavirus is by maintaining hand hygiene. This can be achieved by washing hands with soap and water. Here comes the question, how does it prevent in getting infected, or what is the mechanism behind it? The coronavirus contains an envelope which contains spike proteins and a lipid membrane. Hence tend to stick to your hands when your hands comes in contact with the infected surfaces. When you wash your hands only with the water runs over the virus. This is similar to the oil or oily substances sticking to your hand surfaces, does not get washed away only with the water. Oils are simple lipids. What happens when you pour it into the water? It floats, does not dissolve. Here is where soap comes into play. The soap contains a polar head and a non-polar tail. The non-polar tail gets attached to the lipid membrane and forms stronger bonds than the viral bonds. Hence destroy or breaks the viral membrane. Soap also traps dirt and fragments of the destroyed virus and form a tiny bubbles called micellar which wash away with water. Let us add soap into it. Oil dissolves.
Let me show you all how to make mask using household items. Handkerchief to rubber band without sewing. Before making mask, make sure your hands are clean. Take a kerchief which is neat and clean. Fold the kerchief. Put the rubber band on both the sides. Fold this on both the sides. Lock this by putting one side into the other side. Your mask is ready. This is washable. You no need to go out to purchase mask outside. This is also a tip to save money. In case if this removes, you can put it instantly.
There are some precautions to be taken while wearing and removing the mask. Determine the side of the mask properly. The colored portion should be outwards, it should be away from the face. The inner portion, it should be toward the face. Before wearing the mask, wash hands with running water and soap and sanitizer. And wearing the mask properly. The upper portion of the mask, there will be a bendable surface. The stiff edge, it should be upward portion. It should be ensured before wearing the mask. And wear the mask properly. Mold your nose. Cover your face and chin properly. While removing the mask, wash hands with running water and soap, or with hand sanitizer. And while removing, touch without touching the center. While removing, only touch the straps, loops, or ties. Dispose in waste basket. Wash your hands with running water and soap.
Here we are going to check how to wash fruits or vegetables, especially during this corona time. Plenty of fruits or vegetables are kept outside on supermarket shelves without any added protection. So we know that coronavirus can spread through direct contact. So washing produce is always important, and to keep food clean and safe to consume is more crucial than ever before. Before washing produce, wash your hands. When you are going to rinse vegetables or fruits, you must ensure that your hands are clean. Wash them for at least 20 seconds prior to cleaning fruit and vegetable produce. it is a good idea to wash them afterwards too. Next, we have to rinse your produce well in running water, followed by rubbing with hands. Rinse produce well before you peel it so that dirt and bacteria aren't transferred from knife onto fruits or veggies. It says that it is a complete myth to use soap or detergent or any other special liquid to wash your produce. If any damage occurs, then remove that part and then use it. Use a brush or sponge if necessary. While cleaning root vegetables like potatoes or carrots, then you have to use a sponge to ensure that all dirt is completely removed. Then the fifth step is certain fruits or vegetables require extra care. Some leafy greens should be placed in a bowl of cold water. Then FDA also suggests that removing the outermost leaves of cabbage or lettuce and then drying them with a paper towel and to get the best results.
Wearing of gloves, wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. Take out a glove from its original box. Touch only a restricted surface of the glove, that is at the top edge of the cuff. Wearing the first glove, grasp it where your wrist and slide smoothly onto your hand. Take the second pair end. Unwrap the outer surface of the glove, being worn with bent fingers of your gloved hand and it on the bare hand.
Hand washing is effective only when you wash it for a minimum of 20 seconds. Disadvantage of hand wash is that excessive hand washing with soap and water increases the risk of infection and causes skin damage. The other way of maintaining hand hygiene is by hand rub using hand sanitizers. The hand sanitizers are of two types, alcohol based and non-alcohol based. Most of the alcohol based hand sanitizers contain ethanol, isopropanol and propanol. Most commonly used is ethanol. The alcohol have an ability to dissolve the outer fatty layer of the virus, denature or coagulate the proteins, cause lysis of cells and disrupt the cellular metabolism. Hence, it damages the viral structure. It is important to note that alcohol-based hand sanitizers' efficacy depends upon which and how much product is used, proper techniques and consistency of use. However, it does not work when hands are significantly soiled. Sanitizers containing concentration of 60% of alcohol are most effective. Notably, lesser or higher concentration have no efficacy, potency, or are less potent. Alcohol-based sanitizers also contains humectants like glycerin, which prevent the skin dryness, and emollient or moisturizers like aloe vera, which replaces some of the water which is stripped by alcohol. Step 1. Apply a palm full of product in a cupped hand, covering all the surfaces. Step 2. Rub hands palm to palm. Step 3. Right palm over left dorsum with fingers interlaced and vice versa. Step 4. Palm to palm with fingers interlaced. Step 5. Back of the fingers to opposing palm with fingers interlocked. Step 6. Rotational rubbing of left thumb clasped in right palm and vice versa. Step 7. Rotational rubbing backwards and forwards with fingers clasped in right hand in left palm and vice versa. Once dry, your hands are safe.
Now all of you have come to know how to keep yourself safe. Now the problem is boredom. So now it's time to find out how to deal with boredom. Let me show you all how we keep ourselves far away from boredom these days. Perhaps you may find something so that you can try on yourself too.
Do you know what I'm doing? I'm studying. Yes, I know that it's the least preferred activities of all that we students would want to do, right? But trust me guys, studying really helps to deal with boredom in this lockdown. Not only that, when we study, now because we don't have anything else to do and that we have plenty of time with us, we can concentrate and focus more on what we are learning. And also, we can stay prepared for the examinations that are going to begin as soon as the lockdown ends. So this is like hitting two birds with one stone. So guys, let's sit and study for at least 1 hour every day and you'll not be bored. Also, you can be more confident for your exams.
Hi guys, I'm completing my assignment during this lockdown to get rid of the boredom. As you know that assignment has its several advantages, such as writing assignment, we can increase our learning capabilities and it also helps to improve the writing skill of the student. It is also useful in the view of exam for the preparation.
I'll let you know some of the things I personally do in this quarantine day to maintain good hygiene and also some skincare routine. So first is take bath daily. Yes, it's really important. 2. Oral hygiene, including your tongue. 3. is cleansing your scalp. 4. is brushing your nails, both your feet and on your hands. 5. is clearing your ear wax, like in 2 weeks once. It's really important. In skincare routine, for dandruff, it's really good to take some neem and boil it, and the neem water will get you rid of those dandruff. And nowadays we really use sanitizer whenever we go out and come in. So using sanitizer daily can roughen your hands. So it's really important to apply moisturizer on your feet, on your hands, also in your face whenever you go back to sleep.
From this lockdown, right, I have an idea which brings you and feels you energetic and mindfulness. That is a meditation which brings a grace, peace, silence, blissfulness and freedom which nobody can take away other than you. Okay, meditation should be practiced on an earlier morning when sun rises, and reduces the stress levels and decreases the level of stress hormones, cortisols, and elderly it feels the loneliness and reduces the genes linked to the inflammations, and it decreases the cigarette consumptions, alcohols and drug abuses, and it gives less anxiety, and it also reverses the aging process and it also increases the rapid memory and improves the control, and it also increases the emotional and control on it. When we practice a yoga, it reduces the stress levels, hormones, doing a meditations and yogasana, which helps to appreciate a life. It improves the reactions, it decreases the metabolism, we should boost our immune system. Okay, for that immune system, if you go for a practice of yoga, which gives a improvement to the immune system.
Hello, today my topic is how to get rid of boredom during lockdown. So I am here doing Surya Namaskar as a exercise to get rid of boredom during lockdown. So what is the benefit of the Surya Namaskar? It helps to lose weight, helps to relax our mind, it helps to improve flexibility, helps burn excess fat, helps build mental status, improve blood circulation, strengthen the body, helps cope with insomnia, improve posture, improve muscle tone, improve function of internal organ. These have the benefit of the Surya Namaskar. Now, what is the best time to do the Surya Namaskar? The best time to do the Surya Namaskar is before 6 am and means before sunrise. And the precaution you have to take that do not drink water at the time of the Surya Namaskar, or if you drink water, then after 15 minutes of drinking water you have to do the Surya Namaskar.
At any time lockdown or not, having a regular physical activity is really a crucial part of maintaining our physical health. We need to make sure that we are doing things every day that gives us a sense of pleasure, achievement and mastery. Those are the 3 factors that really influence how good our mood is in our actions, and so dance and exercise in general gives us all of these things.
मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं रह जा, मैं तेरी दीवानी रे, अफसोस तुझे है क्या, मुझसे दूर कहीं ना जा, बस यही कहीं.
Dancing releases endorphins that will make you feel happy and a great way to bond and reconnect with your family too. Use the stress releasing magic of music and dance like nobody is watching. For those who always have harbored a secret dancing ambitions, now could be the time to act.
Hello guys, I know everybody is stuck in home right now, so there are some hobbies to kill time during this corona lockdown. I mostly watch movies and series to kill time. I watch English movies so that I can improve my vocabulary and language abilities. There are some interesting movies and series to watch during this lockdown time. Mostly the categories which you like thrillers such as Breaking Bad, Lost, Money Heist. All these movies are series are like James Bond movies in a series, which is really thrilling and you can finish during this corona time. Also you can watch feel-good movies like Peanut Butter Falcon, then Green Mile, then Pursuit of Happiness, which is a Will Smith movie, which is a very nice movie. You can watch all these movies to increase your English vocabulary skills. Then also other genre movies also you can watch like Game of Thrones are there, Spartacus is there series, then movies like adventure, animation movies, all these which can improve your imagination and also kill your boredom. Watching movies and series takes us to a new world. It's better than reading a book because it is such a passive process which won't take much energy. So have a good time during this Corona lockdown and watch some good movies and series.
Oh hey, it's me again. Do you know what I'm doing? I'm reading, not studies this time. This is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. I love reading novels and I love reading storybooks. Do you know why? Not just because it is entertaining and helps me deal with my boredom, but also because it has many other benefits. It helps me improve my concentration and memory skills. It helps me relieve my stress. It helps me improve my vocabulary and also my writing skills. It gives me a sense of tranquility and mental peace when I'm at trouble or when I'm stressed. Not only that, if you're reading a good book and if it's a good author, it'll help you travel all around the world just sitting in one place. For example, when I read Harry Potter by J.K. Rowling, I really thought that I had landed in Hogwarts and that I'm learning magic with all my other fellow students. If you want, you can also write. Many of us have hidden writers in us. There are different platforms available today on the internet like Miraki or Writer Plus where you can publish your thoughts. You can write about your happiness, you can write about your experiences, and it'll only just help you improve your writing skills, and maybe one day you can become a very good, famous writer. For books that I have to give some suggestions are, one is The Fault in Our Stars by John Green. It is an absolute, wonderful, brilliant story. If you don't like books like these, there are fantasy books like The Lord of Rings or, as I said, Harry Potter. And if you want some books which are not fiction, like non-fiction, you have Ignited Minds by APJ Abdul Kalam, which will truly inspire us. Or books by Sudha Murthy called Wise and Otherwise, which will give you an idea of the life outside our house, the life around us that we may not see with our eyes. So guys, why not just grab a book and sit and read it, or probably just start a journal and write things and publish your thoughts.
Why not of spending your lockdown times by preparing some dishes and serving to your loved ones? So yeah, today I would like to share one of my recipes which I had prepared my lockdown times. So I named it as like date banana dessert. So what we need is, we need 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 banana and half liter milk, and this is grated coconut, and after that I roasted with some sugar. Then this is soaked dates in hot milk. Just keep it for half an hour. And this is date syrup. This is completely optional. If you don't have this, means you can take extra dates. And quantity sufficient of sugar, this much. Finally, decorate this pudding with this roasted grated coconut. So this is the final look of date banana dessert.
I used to spend my lockdown period by doing painting, drawing and a little bit of craft works.
Hello friends, here I am to share about how I spend my lockdown days.
I came out with the idea of recycling of waste bottle to get rid from the boring of lockdown. I collected all the disposed waste bottle from the surroundings. This is an inexpensive and quick way to turn out bottles into something magnificent. To clean the collected glass bottles, you require acrylic paints and brushes. I have used various waste materials for my work, which include woolen threads, old DVD, and coconut shells. Even I used old rice and vegetables for my craft work ideas. Don't you love to see people making treasure out of trash? If you have any old bottles, you will be pleased to see my collection below. It requires a small amount of time and effort to express your thoughts and fantasies with paint and brush. Drawing and painting is the most soothing way of helping your brain work with all the junk and refresh for all new learning. And I have used many waste plastic bottles for gardening. There are several ways to reuse plastic bottles. So next time you need to throw one in the recycling bin, please think again.
Stay home, stay safe. Lockdown, lockdown, lockdown. Boring, boring, boring. Guys, but I am not bored because I am busy with my garden. A garden is a delight to our eyes and solace for your soul. It is a great exercise and stress relief, and it teaches patience. So what you are waiting for? Did you think once about your wasted paint bottle in your garden? Let's see. Take a paint bottle, Cairo, glue. We can change it as a beautiful hanging pot like this. Next we are going to think about some creativity works with the masala containers. Take the container, plastic thread, Cairo and a round holder. With this we can make a beautiful hanging. Next, most of us like to eat ice creams. With these ice cream bottles and some colorful threads, we can make beautiful indoor flower vase like this. Next I am going to show some creativity works with beer bottles. I think it is easy for boys than girls. With some beer bottles and plastic rope, we can change it as a beautiful hanging like this. The love of gardening is a seed, one sown that never dies. Stay home, stay safe, and make your garden beautiful.
Whether this lockdown is really boring for you, why can't you use this vacation for making your house beautiful? I had spent my times with wall paintings, and here are some of them.
Hello everyone, today I'll be discussing you about how to get rid of boredom during lockdown. So did the coronavirus crisis force you to stay at your home? I know you want to go outside, explore the world, travel and be happy and be free. But don't worry, there will be a time when all this will be over. Until then, just we have to stay together, stick together, and we have to live our life little more meaningful. So the good news is, at least we have the internet nowadays. So at least we can sing a song and upload in apps like Smule. So here I'll be singing a song to get rid of boredom during lockdown. फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेगा खेलों का मैदान, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया.